Boost your vocabulary. 50 common adjectives for daily use. Let's begin. Tired. Tired. Having no energy or feeling weak. I feel tired after cleaning all morning. Hungry. Hungry. Needing food or wanting to eat. They were hungry after the long trip. Light. Light. Easy to carry, not heavy. This small bag feels light to carry. Heavy. Heavy. Hard to lift or carry. That big box was heavy to lift. Busy. Busy. Having many things to do. She's always busy during exam week again. Clean. Clean. Free from dirt or mess. The kitchen looks clean after the meal. Dirty. Dirty. Not clean, covered in mess. His hands are dirty from the work. Strong. Strong. Having power or physical strength. He is strong from lifting heavy things. Weak. Weak. Not strong or easily tired. I feel weak after the long illness. Kind. Kind. Nice, gentle, and helpful to others. That woman is kind to all children. Angry. Angry. Feeling mad or very upset. He was angry about the long delay. Mean. Mean. Not nice, hurtful or rude. The boy was mean to his sister. Fast. Fast. Moving quickly or with speed. This new car is really very fast. Slow. Slow. Not fast, taking more time. The bus was very slow this morning. Safe. Safe. Not in danger or at risk. The kids are safe inside the house now. Dangerous. Dangerous. Can hurt or cause harm. That road is dangerous late at night. Exciting. Exciting. Full of energy or very fun. We had an exciting time at the beach. boring, boring. Not fun or interesting. That movie was boring and too long. Polite, polite. Showing good and respectful manners. You should be polite to older people. Rude, rude. Not polite, showing bad manners. That man was rude in the restaurant. Easy, easy. Simple to do or understand. That English test was very easy today. Hard, hard. Difficult or needs more effort. Math is hard for me right now. Smart, smart. Good at learning or thinking. She is smart in every school subject. Funny, funny. Makes people laugh or smile. He always tells a very funny joke. Short, short. Not tall or not long. The meeting was short but very important. Tall, tall. Having a lot of height. My cousin is tall like a tree. Young, young. At an early age in life. Their baby is still very young today. Old, old. Having lived many years already. This old book belonged to my grandfather. New, new. Recently made or just bought. I got a new bag last week. Nice, nice. Pleasant, friendly, or kind. They have a nice teacher this year. Terrible, terrible. Very bad or unpleasant. I had a terrible headache last night. Great, great. Really good, helpful, or positive. She had a great idea for dinner. Rich, rich. Having a lot of money. He is rich and owns 3 restaurants. Poor, poor. Not having enough money. That poor man smiled through his problems. Lazy, lazy. Not wanting to do work. He is lazy and sleeps too much. Friendly. Friendly. Kind and easy to talk to. The dog is very friendly with everyone. Shy. Shy. Quiet and afraid to speak. The little girl is very shy today. Brave. Brave. Not scared in hard situations. He was brave during the loud storm. Hot. Hot. Very warm or high in heat. The soup is still too hot now. Cold. Cold. Having a low temperature. My tea got cold on the table. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very pretty or nice to see. The flowers look beautiful in the garden. Ugly. Ugly. Not nice to look at. That old chair looks really very ugly. Long. Long. Takes much time or distance. It was a long day at work. Early. Early. Before the expected time. He came early to the school meeting. Late. Late. After the right or planned time. She arrived late for the important class. Happy. Happy. Feeling joyful or very pleased. He looks happy with his new job. Sad. Sad. Feeling unhappy or a little down. She felt sad after the long movie. Free. Free. Not busy or costs nothing. I'm free after dinner around 8 p.m. Broken. Broken. Not working or badly damaged. My phone screen is broken and useless. Important. Important. Needs care, focus, or attention. This email is important for my project. Thanks for watching. If you learned some new words today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.